What's up, guys? So with excitement, I've been posting some videos that have been a little bit higher quality, and that's because I've been using my new GoPro Max. I've posted about it. It's not a super secret thing, but I'm ecstatic about this thing. So I wanted to make a video of course, showing the GoPro, and I wanted to lay out everything that I got because I didn't just get the GoPro. I wanted to make sure when I bought this thing that I got the full package, like I got everything to make sure that we, can get good video. 360 video, time lapse. Like you're seeing now, it's on the hero mode, so it does a good job of doing just regular videos. So, but right here, I'll show you what I got laid out. So right here, I have the helmet mount. I've seen this on several dirt bike videos or motocross guys using this kind of mount. So I figured, hey, it should work for mine, and it does pretty good. It fits pretty nicely. Next, the one that everyone knows of, the tried and true single suction cup. This has been the go-to mount since the dawn of the GoPro. So I figured I'd get one of these. That way I could put it right here on the side glass or on the inside or something like that. Because as you can see, hard to hide it, the Fat Gecko triple suction with the selfie stick. I'm not sure if the track's going to have a problem with how large it is. Now, it's not covering the whole back glass, but at the same time, it is in the center of the back glass. I'm not sure if I put this on, if the track's going to have a problem with, it being so large. So I did get the smaller one. The smaller one could probably go here. It could probably maybe mount to where that green dot is on the center of the, windshield for a good view. So I have options in case I'm not allowed, but I'm definitely going to be using this one because this is actually a 78-inch selfie stick. It goes way, way, way beyond the car, so that I can get that good third-person view that has been pretty popular on social media as of lately. I've seen a bunch of cars who have been running this setup. This has been super popular. The videos that I've seen have been pretty incredible. So next, things that are not necessarily the mounts. Of course, well, here's a couple of attachments for mounts, but next I got little safety tethers just in case. So if I have this GoPro hanging on here, I can safety tether it. I doubt something's going to happen, but I have these just in case. I know I'm going to need extra batteries. I hear all the time about how people are, basically it's all about having memory and battery. I'm going to pull one of these guys out. So this is a GoPro Enduro battery for the GoPro Max. So I have two of these, and I have, of course, one, the one that came with the GoPro in the camera. And this is like a fast charger, so it does a decent job. Next, I've got 3 of these SanDisk Extreme, and they're all 256 gigabytes. I figured that'd be good enough because for the most part, I'll have enough memory that should last about the same battery life that the camera's going to have. So I've got about 3 of these. Next, I have, of course, an SD card case. This is shockproof. It's got a little waterproof O-ring to it, so I figured this would be good for storing all this stuff. So that is, in a nutshell, everything that I've gotten for my GoPro setup. If anyone was interested and was maybe sitting on the fence about buying a GoPro, boy, the footage is incredible, and I love it because, one, instead of putting this all on my phone, filling up my phone memory, I have a dedicated device that does this. And everything I got was from Amazon. So super easy. You can get it there. Best Buy has a lot of this stuff, but for the most part, picked up everything from Amazon in one spot. If that's simple for you, if you wanted to do the same setup. So All right. Thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you later.